According to the provided diagram, the components from the innermost circle to the outermost circle are labeled A, B, C, D, and E.
Installation should begin from the innermost circle and proceed outward. Start by attaching the chain, followed by attaching the pendant pieces. Please note, to prevent tangling of the chain, do not attach all the chains before starting to attach the pendant pieces. Start by attaching the chain, followed by attaching the pendant pieces.
If you need any help, please contact our customer service for any questions. Our service email info@slintmossi.com. You can also access Amazon buyer messaging service for your convenience. Thank you.